Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about enabling or disabling comments of your YouTube videos. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is navigate over to YouTube Studio. So select your user icon at the top right, left click on it, and then select YouTube Studio. And you want to select the Content tab on the left side. And then underneath the Video tab, if you need to search or find the video, you can search by ascending or descending order with the date, or you can select Filter and then search by the title or video description keywords, and then select the video thumbnail or the little details pencil icon that appears next to it. And now you want to scroll down and select Show More, and scroll down again, and keep scrolling. Underneath comments and ratings, if you want to have comments turned on, you can just have it put in the on position. However, if you want to disable comments, you can just select the off button and then select save. And then if you also want to do channel wide settings, you can select the settings gear button on the left side and then select upload defaults. And then on the right side, select advanced settings and versus comments. You can go ahead and toggle that to the off position, just select off and then select save. And that's all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.